Okay, the name of this game is called Gimme the Scoop. And so for this game, you're going to need your game board, and we're looking at place values. So we're looking at tens and ones. You're going to need something to scoop. So I've got a nice little bowl of pom-poms here and your own little scooper. So the way that this game works is the person goes in and they scoop something out, and they drop it down and they go, okay, so here I go. I'm going to build my 10 frame, right? So I'm going to 1, 2, 3. Okay, do another scoop. Ooh. I might need a little bigger scooper next time, huh? Okay, so I got 3 more. Right, so trying to make sure I get those on there. I get my scooper. I'm going to scoop some more out. Oh, I think I got a big scoop this time. Okay, so check this out. So now I had 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've completed a full 10 frame. So once I have 10, I can scoop those aside and say, whoo, look, I got 10 plus 1 more. All right, so now I can go back into my scooping again. And so what I'm trying to do is scoop all of this stuff out, right? And get to 100. Now, if you're playing this game with a partner, you could see who can make it to fill their board first, right? So here I've got this one, ooh, and this one here, and I've got 7, 8, 9, and 10. Look, I have another full 10 frame. So I'm going to scoop those aside and add. So now I've counted to 20. All right. So just going to keep playing the game until this is completely filled.